Yes, I got the host. Yes. So can you see my screen? Uh, see, we created one folder in yesterday's class with the name TypeScript. This is first.ts file. So I want to arrange this TypeScript. Yes. How to create the array that already we have seen in last class. Okay. So we can provide the data type at the time of creating the array, that is based on the required types, where ARR. Any name you can use here. We are using ARR colon number is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. I given like this. ARR colon number is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Yes. Now let ARR dot length displays the length of array. Length means how many elements we have. Now I want to run this program. Tell me how can I run? So select this address bar and type CMD. Now in this, yeah, it is opening the command prompt. In this system, it is taking time to open the command prompt. Yeah, command prompt is open. Now here, what the command we are using? TS is the command. So what the file name? First dot ts. So it is not compulsory to use dot ts. You can also use hyphen w. Watch mode we have given. Press enter key. Now it is open. Okay. So it is started with watch mode. Now the program is compiled and the related JS file is created here. Okay, now you can see. So first.js, it is created. Now this file we are placing where? Inside this HTML program. So how we place it is by using the script tag source is equal first.js, body welcome is there. First.js. So this body welcome message it displays. Yes. Now I am loading this first.js into this HTML program. So now if you observe this as first.js, we are calling this file into the HTML. Now this HTML program, pro.html, right click, open with. row. Now it displays the length of elements like this. So this is the way how to get the array and how to get the length of elements. Already we discussed many functions like shift and shift like that. These are all the functions we discussed. Now few more functions are left. Those functions we are going to discuss now. Yes, yeah. So those who are attending today first class, just have given the introduction how to compile this program. And installation of TypeScript already we discussed 2 days back. So if anybody new person is here, so you can collect the videos from Durga. Okay, they will provide you that videos. So these demo videos are available in the Durga YouTube channel. You can collect from that channel. Okay. Now we will continue the concepts. Yesterday concepts will continue. Now we are discussing about some functions like, yeah. So first of all here, yeah, for in. What is this function? To run a loop to the elements of array. Yes. So how many elements we have? Each and every element I want to get. One by one element I want to get. In that point of view using for it. Yes. It holds the values of, sorry, not values. The index of elements. What it is holding? The index of elements it is holding. This is about for. Is it clear? Yes. Foreign means we are using to run a loop with the elements of array. Is it clear? Yes. In that point of we are using this foreign. I will show you that foreign. Okay. Now, where is our program? Yes, here it is. For where x in ARR. So, what is the meaning of this? ARR is our array. It contains 10, 20, 30, 40. Like that, we have the elements. Yes. So, each and every element I'm reading, and that element I'm storing in variable x. So that element index is storing the variable x. Here you can take any variable x or y, anything you can take here. So I'm using x. Okay, or just I'm using int. Okay, alert int. I'm printing that int now. Save this. Whenever we save this, okay, automatically it will recompile. Okay, is it clear? Now, first time, what is int? Yes, which value it holds? Index of this element. Yes. So index of that element, what the index of this element? 0. So next time 1, next time 2, and next time 3. Like then we have this element index. Now if I refresh it, 0, 1, 2, 3, we got this out. Is it clear? So this is about foreign loop. Okay. Now copy and paste in your node file. So is this clear to everyone? Yes, hope you understand this. Yes. So next one, for off.
Sir, here one question, sir.
Yes,
Sir, uh, basically when we'll use that types or number of array, so whenever we are having example like array of 10, 20, 30, during that time we are using this type number of array, right?
uh-huh. This is number if I give here. Yeah, I will show you that. If I give a number here, what the meaning? Okay, allows only numbers as the elements. Okay, so we are restricting this array to hold only numbers. So now you can see the command prompt. PSC command is running here, right? Yes. So this is the command prompt. You can see no errors we have. In case if I use any element like Scott, now it displays the error here because string is not assignable to number type because this variable are restricted with number. That's the reason. Is it clear? Yes.
So in this case, what we should use, sir?
You want to accept both. Yesterday I told you to pull
Any? Okay. Yeah.
any. Now you won't get the error. Okay.
Okay, so in some of the type definitions, so for example, if you go back to the previous one, number of array, so sometimes we will write is like number of array equal to array symbol, right? Uh, in what scenarios we will give like that?
See, first of all, how to declare yesterday you absent?
No, I was there, sir. So so sometimes we will give like number of array equal to array in some of
No,
the
no, no.
scenarios.
I will tell you. I will tell you. Where one variable I am creating, right? Where x colon number I have given. What the meaning of this? This x should hold only numbers. It should not hold string or boolean. So that's why I have given number equal to 10 I am storing. This is a normal variable. You got it? Now if I use print the alert text, then what the output you will get now in the browser, it is recompiling. So I have given watch mode. So that's why whenever I am sending the file every time, it recompiles that program. In this browser, when I refresh, we're getting the output 10 lines. Okay. So yes, this is
Yeah.
nothing but normal variable. But my requirement is I want to store collection of values, not a single value. Is it clear? I want to store the collection of values. Then
Yeah.
we are taking the support of this offset. What the meaning of this? We are telling X is array type. Okay. At the time of declaration, if you give these brackets, the meaning is nothing but that is array type. Yes.
Okay. So my question
So
was
that
like,
time, yeah, 1 second. That
okay,
time you have to store the values, multiple values. No, that's why you have to place inside these brackets here, like this. Okay, now this is array. Okay, so we have to declare it this access array. So that time we are using these brackets. Yeah. Now tell me, what is your question?
uh, in some of the scenarios we give like number of array equal to empty array. So that is for
Empty.
like,
Empty array
yeah.
means initially I'm not assigning anything. Later you can fill with values. Okay,
So initially
like
we are like defining it as like array like that.
empty array I'm creating.
Empty array.
Later
Okay.
by using any logic, okay, dynamically I want to fill the values. Then we can fill like this. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
save this. Total how many elements we have in this array? Two elements we have. And if I print, you're getting 100, 200. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Yeah. Got it. Thank you.
So this is empty array we are creating. Instead of placing the value, actually when we are using this declaration, right now I'm not filling this array with any values. Later I want to connect with the database. From database I want to fetch some data. So that information I want to fill in this X. In that case, we are using this concept. Okay. Yeah. Dynamically want to assign the values, then we are using this concept. Now the next one is, so for of same as for it, but holds the values of elements. As far of is same as for it, but the difference is it is holding the values of elements. Now, so for x of a, let x. So for in and for of, the difference you got. Yes. So what is for in? For in holds the index, for a holds the value. That's the concept. Now save this. So we got, yeah, array variable. Sorry, this name is, I changed x. Use ARR. Now refresh it. So we got the output like 10, 20, 30, 40. Yes, this is about, yes, yeah. So what the difference between foreign and for of? Foreign stores the index. It returns the index. For of returns values. Yes. Next one. For each is the function. So this for each is the combination of previous two functions. I will show you that. Copy, paste here. For each. Now here runs a loop through the elements of array and returns both, okay, index and values. Not returns holds both the index and values. So for each is one function. So it holds both index and values. So for of holds values, for in holds index, for each holds both these index and values. Next one. We can also execute a function for every element. Yeah, at the time of running the loop, for every element, we can also execute one function. So this is the concept of for each. Now I am using this. Yeah. ARR dot for each. Yes. I have given ARR dot for each. In this, one function I am taking now. Yes. In this function, I am using index and value. Yes, I have taken like this. What is that? Index and value. Now just we are printing that index and value here. So I let, yeah, first argument is, okay, value it returns, second argument is index it returns here. So now I am using alert VA, alert IND. Save this and refresh. Now first time 10, 0 we got. Next 21, 32, 43, 54. Like that we got this output. Is it clear? Yes. So this is about for each. Yes. Yeah. Means we can run one function. So for example, you want to execute some statements with the each and every element value. Then we can take the support of this function. That is the main concept of this. Is clear? You want to execute. Yes, you want to execute some statements. So at the time of running the loop, so one function we can call. So this function, okay. So we are placing one function inside this for each. So what the main purpose of this function here? So this function holds that value and index. So we can write some required logics inside the function. For example, I'm printing alert, okay, value plus index. Like that, any calculations you want to perform inside this function, you can perform those calculations. Now refresh it. 10 plus 0, what is that? 10. 20 plus 1, 21. 30 plus 2, 32. 40 plus 3, 43. 50 plus 4, 54. Like that, we got this out. Yes, it is clear. So this is about for each. Okay, fine. Now, next function is very, very important for us. That is map function. Yes, 1 second. Now, next one is map. Map is same as for each. Map is same as for each. But the difference is for each doesn't return any value from the function which we declare inside. But map returns values. Okay. So for each won't return any value. Map returns the value. I will show you that. It is same as map, but it returns values. Okay. Total number of return values are equal to total number of elements. So how many values it returns? How many elements we have, that number of values it returns here. But for each won't return anything. Okay. Now we can see the result of this. Instead of for each, I'm using map. Okay. Yes. So now here, instead of printing that, I'm using a return. So means instead of printing this value, what we are doing here, we are returning that value. That is the main concept of this. Yes. Now here, if I refresh the program, nothing is the result because so we are not storing these return values in any variable. Now I'm taking a variable where RV is equal to. Yes, I have taken one variable here. What is that variable name? RV. Where RV is equal to ARR.map. Their function is there. From this function return value plus index. So now here, first time what is value? 10. What is index? 0. 10 plus 0, 10 we are returning into variable RV. Next time 20 plus 1. 21 we are returning into the variable RV. Next time 30 plus 2. 32. that we are returning into the variable RV. 40 plus 3, 43. Like that. So every time we are returning into that variable. So RV is the variable. Now finally I am printing that RV. So I'll let RV. So what the result you are getting here? So if I refresh it, we are getting that 1 second. Yeah. So 10, 21. So 30 to 43. Yes. Okay. And 54. Yeah, it is same as for each only in definition point of view. But the difference is for each don't return values from this function. Map can return the values. So if I use for each now, so for each I have given. Yes. So now here, will it return any value now? No, it will not return the value. Now if you observe here, undefined is the 1 second. It is not refreshed properly. Now you can see undefined is the output. Okay. Yes. So here map it is same as just for each, but it returns values. By mistake I have written there. Okay, same as map I have written. Actually same as for each, but it returns values. Total number of values are equal to the total number of elements. Now in this program, if you observe here, yes, how many I have given map. I'm changing this as, yeah, I have given for each. I am changing this as map. Save this and refresh. Now, how many values we got? So these are the values. We got 5 values here. Yes, yeah. This is about map. Okay. So this is a common interview question. What is the difference between for each and map? For each won't return any values, but map returns the values. Okay.
So does the return type of a map is any array or is it just the value?
Array
Yes,
only. It returns array.
array.
Yes. So in this output, you can see collection of values we have.
Mm.
Right. In case if I give here, yeah, I'll let RV of 0. Yes, then you will get the first one only. Or that first 10 it returns. So RV of 3. 3 means what is that? So 30 plus 2, 32.
Mm.
Refresh. Sorry. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. 40 plus 3. Right? So 40 plus 3, 43 is the output we got. So in case RV of 4, 4 means fifth element, right? At the time of running the loop, fifth element, what the index of this? 4 is the index. 54 is the result. Now we can see we are getting that one. Means RV, if you observe RV, how many elements it contains here? 10, 21, 32, 43, and 54. Yes?
And so if we have the list of objects, example, we have the employee object key, employee name and IDC
Yes, yes,
elements in
yes.
the object. So in that case, will that return the array of objects?
Yes, we can return the array of objects. After this array only, I will start the object concept.
Okay.
Okay, because we are discussing object data type. In that object data type, yesterday we have seen null.
Mm.
And after that, we started discussion with array. After this array, object is there. This 3 comes under object data type. Null, array, object.
Okay.
Yes. So now we are discussing about array concept. After that, I will discuss object also. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now filter. So runs a loop through the elements of array and returns truth values. Yes, what this filter? So it returns the truth values. Okay. So runs a loop through the elements of array and returns truth values. Now I will show you that. So filter I have given. Now I'm using a return. So value if greater than 30. So that is only I'm returning into the variable RV. First time what is value? First time what is value? Yes, what is the value first time?
10.
10. Is it greater than 30? No, false. Then it will not return. Second time 20. Is it greater than 30? No. Next time 30. Is it greater than 30? No. Next time 40. Yes, this time it is greater than 30, right? Then it will return that 40 into this variable. Next time 50. So 50 is greater than 30. True or false? 50 is greater than 30. True or false? Yes, true. So means it returns 40 and 50. Now save this and refresh. You can see you'll get the output that 40 and 50. Yes? Yeah. Means which one is true? Which one is true? That information only it returns. This is about filter. Yes? Is this clear? Yes. Hope you understand this concept. What happens if I give map? Huh?
Return all values.
All values. So how many values it returns this map? How many elements are that number of values? So what is the value in this RV first time? What is the value? Second element? What is the second element? Third element? What is the third element? Can you tell me?
True or false.
Booleans.
Yeah, true or false. It returns true or false. First time, so 10 is greater than 30. Is it true or false? False. Then it holds false. Next time, 20 is greater than 30. Is it true or false? False. It holds that one. Like that, 30 is greater than 30. False. 40 is greater than 30. So this time it is true. And 50 is greater than 30. True. Means false, false, true, true. Sorry, false, 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 true, true. It is clear. That is the output it returns here. Now, if you observe this, so refresh once, refresh again. So false, 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 true, true. We got this out. So total how many elements it returns? 5 elements. Yes, because in this array also we have 5 elements. That's why this variable RV also contains 5 elements. Values are so false, 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 true, true. So if I use filter, how many elements it returns? How many are true? Only those elements it returns. How many are true? Only those elements it returns. So that is the difference between filter and this. Okay, map. Is it clear? Yeah. Next one. Reduce. Yes. Runs a loop through the elements of array and returns a value. A value means here single value. Okay. Based on the logic. Okay, we given. Yes. So runs a loop through the elements of array and returns a value that is nothing but single value it returns based on the logic we given. So this is about reduce. Yes, yeah. Now see this, I'm using reduce. So in this, yeah, first time what is value? So I'm using x comma y, any name you can take. So what is x? Tell me, you know that. What is x?
Value.
Yeah, that is 10. What is y? X is 10, y is
0.
0. Next time x is 20. Yes, y is
1.
1. So next time x is 30, y is 2, like that. But this is correct in previous functions point of view. If you take for each, map or reduce. But in this function, so it is not 10, 0, 21, 32. Okay, not that. Then what is that? Yes, I will tell you that. So first time x is 10 and y is 20. Y is 20, not 0. So actually x and y, they don't handle indexes. Okay, only values this variable handle. So first time what is x? 10. What is y? 20. Next time what is x? Next time what is x? Are you expecting 30? No. Second time onwards, x is return value. For example, if you return high, then x is high. Y is, yeah, this element 30. Next time again x is high, y is 40. Next time again x is high, y is 50. Like that it is holding those elements. Is this clear? Yes, once again, okay. In the first iteration, these two values are coming into the variables x and y. The first iteration. From second iteration onwards, x holds the return value, y holds the next value. That's all. In third iteration, x holds this value, y holds 40. Next time, x holds this value, y holds 50. Like that. Is it clear? Yes. Now I am commenting the statement temporarily. Now we can see here, I'm printing alert x and alert y. Yes, I'm printing these two statements here. I have given alert x, next one alert y. Save this, refresh it. So 10 first time and next 20 we got. This is in first iteration. Second iteration, what is x? This return value. Okay. It is nothing but high. And y is 30. Next time again high. Y is 40. High 50. Like that we got this out. Yes? Yeah. Now here if I don't return anything, I am removing this line. Then refresh it. So 10, 20. Next time x is undefined, y is 30. Next time x is undefined because we are not returning anything. Y is 40, undefined 50. Like that we have this out. It is clear? Hmm?
Single value means
Yeah, finally we are getting single value, but I am not printing RV. So because now here I am returning. So actually here I am printing that x and y. What I told you here, yeah. And returns is single value I told you. Okay, now I will show you what it returns. Okay. So in case if I use high, yes, it returns high only. How many times? Only one time it returns that high, last time. Now we can see output is, okay, I will comment these two alert statements because otherwise you will feel that these are also returning into the variable RV. So now if I refresh, what is RV? High. Only one high is there. So for example, if I place like this, now refresh, it is high with the multiple eyes. Now what I'm doing here, yeah, why we are using this reduce? Yeah, so we are calculating these keys and values. So we are performing, okay, sum or multiplication, addition with these keys, not values, sorry, with the keys. So I am returning x plus y. Now you tell me, first time what is x? What is x? Huh?
10,
10. What is y?
20,
20. Now here x plus y, what it returns now?
30,
30. Second time what is x?
30,
Yes, 30 because it returns 30. And what is y?
40,
Hey, not 40, 30.
30. Okay.
This x is return 30. Okay,
Mm.
return value. Yes, y is
The
the next value. This is 30. Okay, now 30 plus 30, what is that? 60.
60,
Next time, what is x?
60,
60. What is y?
40,
40. So now x plus y, 60 plus 40, 100. Next time, what is x?
100,
100. What is y?
50.
50. So here, final. So loop is completed now because we got the last element also. Now here, x plus y, 100 plus 50. So that 150 finally returning into this variable. If you observe this, if I refresh, so what the output we got here? 150 is the output we got. Means we are getting the single value based on the calculation which we applied on the keys. Is it clear? So sum of all elements you want to get, then this is the logic. Yes, multiplication of all elements you want to get, then use simple multiplication operator here. Then it will give you the multiplication of 10 into 20 into 30 into 40 into 50. Now refresh it. So we got this one. Yes. Yeah, this is the concept of this. So hope you understand this, right? Yes. So these are the main functions to work with this array concept. So very, very important functions here. So yesterday we discussed some functions. Today we discussed these functions. So hope you understand these functions. So any doubts, any questions?
Sir, so reduce we use only for the array.
Only for the array. Okay. So collection. Array or array of objects. Array of objects also nothing but array only, right? Inside that array, instead of single value, we are placing object. So that object, I will show you how to work with that object and all. Yes. Now I am placing in chat window.
So can we concatenate the filter reduce? Can we concatenate the map and filter?
Can you?
Can we concatenate? I mean, can we use map and filter together for an app?
Your voice is not clear.
Okay.
Coming.
Can I use filter and map together on the same array?
Yeah, we can also use filter and map together. So within the map, you can write the filter. Yes. So here nested functions first we will discuss. So types of functions concept is not started. So callback, nested functions. Okay. Next one, arrow functions. Like that we have different types of functions. Once the nested function is completed, then how to call this, okay, multiple functions. That topic we will discuss. Okay. First, let me cover the types of functions. Okay. Yes. So these are array types. So just copy the chart messages. Next class we'll discuss object concept, how to work with the object, and after that types of functions. What is arrow function? What is nested function? And what is callback function? Like that, these types of functions. Like that, one by one concepts we'll discuss. These are all the concepts we are using in our Angular applications. Okay, fine. So tomorrow, I don't know whether demo or this one, you will get the calls from management. You should go through that. Yes, someone is asking one doubt.
Sir, how many classes are completed, sir? Today is my first class.
Only 3 classes completed. You can ask those demo videos. They will provide you. Durga's out.
Morning React.js class also I attended, sir.
Yeah.
Basically, I'm a Java developer having 7 years of experience. So, which
Uh,
one you prefer to me? Whether I go for React.js or Mongo, this Angular 17 with Mongo.
Mongo, keep it aside with Mongo. So React and Angular, if you ask me, both playing important role in this software industry. Really, this is one okay. So $1,000,000 question right now. Okay, hypothetical question. So the thing is, the concept is, so what are the features we have in Angular? Some features not there in React, and in React, what some features, extra features we have, those are not there in Angular. Common features are there, like single page application, data binding. Okay, like that, these are all common. So if you take Angular, Angular supports two-way data binding directly. But in React.js, manually we need to work for that. And React.js supports virtual DOM, but Angular is not supporting virtual DOM. Yes. So like that here, so many concepts, some concepts are available in React, some concepts are available in Angular. So here, this is completely TypeScript platform, and this is framework. Framework means providing many more features, functionalities than library. React is library. Yes, this is framework. So inside this Angular framework, we are implementing the coding. But React is not like that. Inside the JavaScript, we are calling the React. You got it? Inside the JavaScript, we are calling the React packages. But Angular, if you take inside the Angular framework, we are implementing the TypeScript coding. We are using the TypeScript. That is the main thing. So here, that is our choice. Both playing important roles in this software industries. Okay.
So, in market, which is demand, sir? Like
That we can't say, because you can check yourself. Upload 2 resumes. One is with React, another one is Angular. Yes. So you can check yourself how many calls and mails you are getting for both. From past 3 years, 2.5 to 3 years, I'm working with Angular in the projects in my company. Before that, I worked with React. One project, 2 projects I worked with React. But now from past 2.5 years, I work with Angular in my company. So like that, here it depends upon the client requirement and all. And many .NET programmers, they will concentrate on this Angular only. Okay. So if server-side script is .NET, so they are using Angular. Okay. Mainly they are working with this Angular. And what the reason? Because .NET is the product of Microsoft. TypeScript is also the product of Microsoft. Yes. Angular, what is Angular? It is nothing but the framework of TypeScript. Yes. So that's why more compatibility is there with that. That's why most of the .NET applications they are using Angular. Not only .NET, even Java applications also they are using Angular, and some companies using React. So that is depend on the requirement and team size and companies like that. So you want to find out what are the opening, how are the openings we have with these two technologies. Better upload two resumes with these two technologies. Then you can check how many you are getting with React and how many you are getting with Angular. Okay.
Okay. Sir, are we working on only Edit Plus or we are working with Visual
No, no,
Studio?
no, no, no. We will work with this Visual Studio Code. See, I am showing you. Yes. I will explain you how to install this one, how to work with this, because Edit Plus we can't hand means even if you want to develop entire program with Edit Plus, you can develop, but it is not user friendly. right? So I will explain you how to install this Visual Studio Code and how to work with that. Everything we'll discuss. But initially, some programs we are discussing with Edit Plus. Okay.
Sir, one more question. Like, do I want to, like, what are the prerequisites? Like, I am completely a server-side programmer. So, do I want to learn any JavaScript or directly Angular is okay?
No, TypeScript. We are discussing now TypeScript concepts.
Okay.
Okay, after this TypeScript, I will start the Angular concepts.
Okay, now we are not into Angular. This is TypeScript.
This is TypeScript. When I started TypeScript day before yesterday. So
Mhm.
that's why you should better collect those videos, installation, npm installation. Okay, everything we discussed. So those demo videos are available in this Durga's YouTube channel. Collect those videos.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Fine. See you in tomorrow class. You can drop now. Thank you.